Hello students, welcome to Costing Methods and Techniques class. In today's class, we are going to solve one simple problem on job costing. Okay, so this is 5 mark problem. So this type of problem many times they have asked in exams. I'll read out the problem. The following information is related to job number 112, material 6900, wages. So here there are three departments. Department casting 120 hours at rupees 3 per hour. Department machining 40 hours at rupees 4 per hour. Department finishing 80 hours at rupees 2 per hour. Factory overheads, fixed overheads rupees 10,000 for 5,000 working hours. Variable overheads, department casting rupees 4,000 for 2,000 hours, department machining for 6,000 rupees 6,000 for 1,500 hours, department finishing rupees 2,000 for 500 hours. What should be the price to be quoted if profit expected is 20% on selling price? Okay, so this is 5 mark problem. Okay, so here like wages they have three departments. Okay, and factory overheads, fixed overheads is different and variable overheads is different. Okay, yes. Write down heading job 112. Next line, job cost sheet for the year ending, particulars and to amount column. So again here first we need to take direct material. Now direct material amount is given 6,900. So write it here 6,900. Next comes as direct wages. Okay. Now for direct wages there are three departments, right? So we will take here department casting. Okay, so that is what they have given. Go through the problem. 120 hours rupees 3 per hour, that is 120 hours into rupees 3. Okay, so find it out. That is 360. Okay, now next department is department machining. Department machining is 40 hours into rupees 4. Okay, calculate this. So that is 160. Next is department finishing. Department finishing is 80 hours into rupees 2. So here it is 160. Okay, now make total of all these and write it in the outer column. So total is 680. Okay, now add this to materials, that is 7,580. 7,580. So this is what it is called as prime cost. So this is called as prime cost. Now next is add factory overheads. Okay, so in factory overheads, there are two there are two things that I've given, that is fixed overheads and variable overheads. Fine. Yes. Now here you can write fixed, fixed, okay, fixed overheads. So what they have given, fixed overheads rupees 10,000 for 5,000 working hours. So it is 10,000 for 5,000 working hours. So we will have one working note over here. So write down calculation of fixed overheads. Calculation of fixed overheads. So here you can write hours and here rupees. Okay. So what they have given, for 5,000 working hours, for 5,000 working hours, they are paid 10,000. Right. Then now just add these, like how many hours the workers have worked. 120 hours for department casting, 40 hours for department machining, 80 hours for department finishing. Okay, 120 plus 40 plus 80. So that is 240. That is 240. So laborers have worked for this particular job 240 hours. Now for 240 hours, how much is paid? Question mark. Okay. Now 240 into 10,000, 240 into 10,000 divided by 5,000, divided by 5,000. Okay, cross multiplication. So which is equals to rupees 480. Rupees 480. Understanding? So here you can write here note 1. Okay, inner column 480 rupees. Okay. And next they have given variable, right? Variable overheads, department casting rupees 4,000 for 2,000 working hours, department machining rupees 6,000 for 1,500 hours, department finishing rupees 2,000 for 500 hours. Okay, so now we have to see for each department like how many hours they have worked. Accordingly, we need to find out their variable expenses. Take down second working note, calculation of variable overheads. So first we will solve according to department casting. Okay, yes, again here hours and rupees. Okay, now department casting has worked for how many hours? 120 hours. Okay, sorry. First, what we will do, whatever they have given in the question. So, how much they have given? 4,000 rupees 4,000 for 2,000 hours. So, for 2,000 hours, rupees for 2,000 hours, rupees 4,000 is paid. Right? Now, for 120 hours, 120 hours, how much is paid? Right? So, again, cross multiplication, 120 into 4,000 divided by So divided by 2000, which is equals to, calculate, rupees 240. Rupees 240, right? So I can write here, can show here, variable overheads, department casting. Okay, so how much it is? 240. It is 240. So here only, for here you can write note 2. Note 2. Okay. Now next department, the department machining. Department machining. Here hours and rupees. Okay. Yes. Now how much they have given? For department machining, for 1500 hours, for 1500 hours 6000 is paid. 6000 is paid. Now department machining is worked, like laborers have worked for 40 hours. So for 40 hours, how much is expenses incurred? So again 40 into 6000 divided by 1000 divided by 1500. Sorry, is equals to, calculate, 160. Rupees 160. So here you can write department machining ₹160. Next, there is one more department. Department finishing hours and rupees. Hours and rupees. Okay. Now here they have given for 500 hours they are paid with 2000. Now department finishing is worked for 80 hours. It means how much expenses incurred. Next again cross multiplication, 80 into 2000 divided by 1000, divided by 500. Okay, so which is equals to 320 rupees. Rupees 320. Okay, so rupees 320. Here you can write department finishing department finishing, department finishing is rupees 320. Okay, now add these two, that is fixed overheads and variable overheads of all the three departments, that is 1200. Write this total in the outer column. Okay, yes. Now, like other overheads, they haven't given us. Okay, they have not given any other information. So this itself is called as cost of sales. This is called as cost of sales. Add this. That is 8,780. 8,780. Okay. Now profit. Profit we don't know, so we have to find out profit and sales. So there is some information they have given related to profit. Now read last sentence. What should be the price to be quoted if profit expected is 20% on selling price? So we don't know selling price as well. Okay, so what they have asked, what they have told is profit is 20% on selling price. So we don't know how much is selling price. Okay, so we will assume selling price, or we assume sales 100, profit is 20% on that. Profit is 20%. So 20, 100 into 20% is 20. So now cost will be how much? Sales minus profit is cost. So cost is 80. Understanding? Yes. Now we know how much is cost. Right? Now here cost and profit. Cost and profit. Now when cost is 80, profit is 20. Understanding? Now when cost of sales, go through the problem. Cost of sales is 8,780, right? 8,780. Cost is 8,780. Then how much is profit? Just cross multiplication. So 8,780 into 20 divided by 80. Okay, so divided by 80. Calculate this, which is equals to, calculate this. So that will be 2,195. 2,195 rupees. Okay, yes. Now this is profit. Here you can write as profit and note number 3. Complete the bracket. It is 2,195. 2,195. Now we need to find out sales. So how you will find out sales? Cost of sales plus profit. Now cost of sales is 8,780. 8,780 plus 2,195. So which is 10,975. 10,975. So this is your sales. Understanding? Hope so this problem is clear. Okay, it was very simple problem, 5 mark problem. Such type of problems many times they have asked it in exam. Okay, so please go through the problem again, solve it. Okay, okay. See you in next class.